how to fix Spotify payment failed. So in here, let's just search for Spotify Premium. This is the first link that you want to click on, and then from here you can now view all the plan, or you can try 1 month for $0 that we have on our Spotify, right? Then from here, if there are any sort of requirement of logging into your account, you should do that. Then you can select your payment method. So if you simply select your credit or debit card, here the very first mistake that we all do is simply write our card number mistake, or write our expiry date and social security code like a mistake. So what are you going to do is simply make sure that you have make sure that you have wrote down all of the card number, expiry date, and all of it in a proper and correct order. So let's just say you are using PayPal, then also make sure that the credentials of your account are correct, so you can recheck it back and forth and see if that is the issue. So if that's not the issue, then what you can do is try to contact your bank or credit card company to ensure that they aren't blocking any sort of international or recurring merchant charges from Spotify. That might also be another reason. So if that still is not the reason, then what you can do is try to click on the update details from the billing page and then re-enter your card information carefully, or switch your payment method to PayPal or Google. So like I said, if you're using your credit or debit card, what you need to do is try to remove your card from the Spotify Premium and then re-enter all of the details and see if that works. But if it's still not working, then you can try to switch it to your PayPal for your payment method. So in here, lastly, if you are using a prepaid gift card, verify that it was issued in the same exact country as your Spotify account registration reason. So that might also be another issue. So yeah, these were all of the possibility that your Spotify payment may be failing. If you guys found this video helpful, then please let me know in the comment section down below, and that will be it for this video.